Hello guys, today I have got the Realme Watch S5 and I'm going to show you how to monitor Destress. So, at first you need to have the application opened. Then you need to go to the health section and here tap Destress. Tap here this gear icon in the top right corner and enable the option called Continuous Stress Monitoring. Tap Confirm and here, as you can see, we've got High Stress Reminder. You can enable that, and from to reminder interval and repeat. You can select all these options based on your preferences. From here we've got time and AM or PM. To the same thing. Reminder interval, it can be either 30 or 60 or 90 or 120 minutes, or I think 30 even, 15 even, 30 and 15. And repeat repetition days, like for example every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Then if you're done, you can just tap done, and that's it. Goodbye.